A volcano is an opening in the Earth's crust, which allows molten rock, ash, and gas to escape from below the Earth's surface. There are about 1,500 volcanoes in the world. Many of them are found in an area called the Ring of Fire. Far below the Earth's surface is a magma reservoir, which is filled with molten rock called magma. The magma travels up a conduit and into the throat of the volcano before escaping through a vent in the Earth's surface. The vent is surrounded by a large crater. Volcanoes are dangerous because they produce burning lava and clouds of deadly choking gas. They can also trigger tsunamis and mudslides. There are 3 stages in a volcano's existence. An active volcano could erupt at any time. A dormant volcano has not erupted for a long time. An extinct volcano will probably not erupt again.